Alright, let's talk about one of my all-time favorite summer drinks, the Mango Lassi. If you love mangoes and crave something cool, creamy, and a little bit exotic, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Mango Lassi at home, and trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, the star ingredient, mangoes. You want them ripe, juicy, and bursting with sweetness. If you can get your hands on Ataulfo or Alfonso mangoes, go for it. But any sweet ripe mango will do. Peel and chop 2 medium mangoes and toss them into your blender. Now let's make it creamy. Add 1 cup of plain yogurt. I like to use full fat yogurt for that extra richness. But you can absolutely use low fat or even plant-based yogurt if you prefer. Next, pour in half a cup of cold milk. This thins it out just enough without watering down the flavor. Sweetness is key, but you don't want to overdo it. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, honey, or agave, depending on how sweet your mangoes are and what you like. A pinch of salt might sound weird, but it actually makes the flavors pop. Trust me on this one. For that classic aroma, toss in a pinch of ground cardamom. It's optional, but takes the lassi to another level. And if you want it extra cold, throw in a handful of ice cubes. Now blitz everything together for about a minute until it's super smooth and frothy. That's it. Pour your mango lassi into tall glasses, and if you're feeling fancy, garnish with a sprinkle of cardamom or a few chopped pistachios. Take a sip. Creamy, tangy, sweet, and so refreshing. This is summer in a glass. The best part? You made it yourself with just a few fresh ingredients and a blender. If you want to mix it up, try adding a squeeze of lime for a tangy kick, or swap out the milk for coconut milk for a tropical twist. Mango Lassi is super customizable, so make it your own. Alright, that's it for my perfect Mango Lassi recipe. If you give it a try, let me know how it turns out and what fun twists you came up with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more delicious recipes. Until next time, stay cool and enjoy that Mango Lassi.